Should you trust Ford's reliability? Despite its legacy and iconic models like the Mustang and F-Series, Ford ranked only 16th in reliability for 2024. High repair costs and ownership expenses hurt its dependability. Curious about better alternatives? Here are 10 car brands that outshine Ford in reliability, and the top pick might just become your dream car. 10. Hyundai. At number 10, we have Hyundai. An edge over design and generous warranty puts this South Korean automotive giant in 10th position for its reliability over Ford. Surprisingly, Hyundai has a history of collaboration with Ford to step up its manufacturing techniques. Now, Hyundai has clearly made its mark worldwide, with models such as Creta, Palisade. Their most popular model, Ioniq 5, successfully earned a Triple Crown, Car of the Year, Electric Vehicle of the Year, and World Car Design of the Year in the 2022 World Car Awards. But what exactly makes this brand so reliable? While Ford vehicles that lean more into power and performance, Hyundai focuses on fuel efficiency. Safety precautions and repair costs are essential components of any reliability discussions. In terms of average car repair costs, Hyundai is quite budget-friendly, ranking 4th among 32 car brands globally. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos about cars and much more, because it's important to choose the right ride. One more area where Hyundai shines is in safety. The brand consistently earns top ratings from leading safety organizations. For example, the 2023 Ioniq 5 received a top Safety Pick Plus rating, scoring good across all crashworthiness categories. Additionally, good performance in crash tests has earned the 2023 Ioniq 6, Palisade, and Sonata with top Safety Pick Plus honors. If you're looking for a car that's easy on the wallet yet high on dependability, Hyundai might be just what you need. 9. Kia. Next up is Kia. Interestingly, Kia is the main rival of its sibling brand Hyundai, occupying the 9th position in global ranking of reliable car brands. In the same way as Hyundai, Kia has made safety a priority, winning the IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus awards every year, demonstrating the brand's commitment to building safe vehicles. Various flagship models, such as Telluride, K5, and Stinger, have gained traction because they can combine safety with a stylish design. In 2022, Kia won the title of Most Dependable Non-Luxury Brand. But why exactly so? As consumers, we often prefer automobiles that are fuel-efficient with low-cost maintenance, and Kia models exactly fit the need. The generous 10-year, 10,000-mile warranty that Kia offers remains unmatched in the industry and has earned Kia its popularity among buyers. If you are planning to buy one, then not only will it be cheap to maintain, but also will have the market's best warranty plans, along with a 5-year or 60,000 miles road assistance plan. The best part about it is that there is something for everyone in Kia, whether you're into rugged SUVs or sleek electric cars. This brand offers multiple engine and transmission options, and buyers can choose based on their requirements and budget. This explains why it was a bestseller within 10 months of its first launch. 8. BMW. At number 8, we have the brand whose luxury and performance speaks for itself, the BMW. Each model is loaded with advanced features, including multiple driving modes, innovative connected car connection technology, premium audio systems, and much more. BMW breaks the stereotype of being just a luxury brand. As a matter of fact, BMW has been ranked 8th at the global level for its reliability, boasting a respectable score of 184 problems per 100 vehicles, outperforming the industry average of 186 for brands tracked since 2020. So yes, BMW's reliability is still up there. They offer high safety ratings, fuel efficiency, and a blend of sporty and luxurious features. Models like the 2024 3 Series sedan and the 2024 X5 SUV received good ratings across all crash test categories, and the 2023 BMW 5 Series sedan earning the coveted Top Safety Pick Plus award. On top of that, the BMW M6 is on a top 10 list for the longest-lasting sports cars, with some models lasting over 200,000 miles. But luxury has its price. As experts report, the average annual repair cost for a BMW is around $968, which is way higher than average car repair expenses. Still, for those who value innovation, safety, and a touch of sophistication, BMW continues to deliver a driving experience worth the investment. 7. Audi. Moving along, we have the Audi, a brand that's nothing short of every car enthusiast's dream. This German automaker, which is celebrated for their luxurious, high-performance vehicles, combine cutting-edge technology and style. Ranked 7th for reliability, Audi continues to make its mark as a trusted name in the automotive world. From the sleek and versatile Audi A3 and A4 to the luxurious and spacious Q5, and not forgetting the R8 series for high-performance enthusiasts, Audi offers something for everyone. At the core of their success lies its iconic Quattro all-wheel drive system, a symbol of the brand's commitment to performance and safety. Renowned for delivering unparalleled handling and stability across diverse driving conditions, the Quattro system shows Audi's dedication to engineering excellence. Unlike the previous brands, Audi's reliability shines through its technological innovations, such as Audi's virtual cockpit, which is a digital dashboard that improves safety by reducing distractions. Meanwhile, the adaptive cruise control adjusts the speed of your car automatically, enabling a safe distance from other vehicles. By continuously pushing the boundaries of automotive technology, Audi strives to enhance the driving experience by making it more safer and more connected than ever before. Audi offers a smooth and confident ride with every model. So if you love a car that is reliable yet stylish, then Audi is a good choice to make. But regular maintenance is crucial for Audi, with which it can go up to 150,000 to 200,000 miles. 6. Mazda. Coming in at an impressive 6th place, Mazda is a brand that has managed to win the hearts of families and performance enthusiasts alike. Would you believe this automotive icon started out as a cork-making company in 1920 Japan? Fast forward to today, and Mazda has evolved into a global powerhouse known for sporty, reliable vehicles with a unique charm. The real game-changer that secured Mazda's position on this list is its innovative Skyactiv technology. It's a genius combination of power and efficiency that makes every drive thrilling without burning a hole in your pocket. Even the base models pack a punch, delivering up to 191 horsepower while maintaining an impressive fuel economy of just 6.3 liters per 62.14 miles. Mazda proves you don't need to compromise performance for practicality. Take the flagship models, for example, the Mazda MX-5 Miata, Mazda 6, and Mazda 3. These cars don't just look good. They've earned countless awards for blending dynamic performance with everyday usability. And Mazda isn't just about fun, it's about peace of mind too. Reliability is a key area where the brand excels. Recent models like the 2024 Mazda CX-50 and Mazda 3 have received glowing reviews, achieving a reliability score of 70 out of 100. Mazda takes safety seriously too. Its advanced safety features have earned multiple Top Safety Pick Plus awards, ensuring you and your family stay protected on the road. Even more impressive? Mazda ranks 5th out of 32 brands for low yearly maintenance costs, making it a practical and dependable choice. So, if you're looking for a car that combines fun, comfort, and dependability, Mazda might just be the dream ride you've been searching for. Who says you can't have it all? 5. Acura. Up next, at number 5, we have Acura. Popularly known as Channel 2, Acura is Honda's luxury brand that built its reputation for reliable, sporty cars that offer luxury features without the steep price tag. Acura boasts a lineup of cars and SUVs celebrated for their sporty handling and comprehensive lists of standard features. This lineup includes popular SUVs like the MDX, RDX, and sleek sedans like the ILX and TLX. They've even got a supercar, the NSX, for performance enthusiasts. Acura has clearly marked its presence in the premium automotive market by competing against counterparts like BMW, Lexus, and Infiniti. This car brand is highly driven to bring a balance of performance, comfort, and advanced safety features in its models. The best part of Acura is that all of these models come equipped with driver assist technologies, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring both peace of mind and a refined driving experience. Acura's features have ranked it 5th in the world for its reliability, with high rankings in countries like the USA. A surprising fact is that Acura models are mostly produced in the same factories as Honda cars, so this brand uses a lot of components from Honda cars. Just like Honda, Acura also offers longevity and low maintenance costs. Safety is also a priority for any reliable vehicle, which Acura fulfills by equipping its vehicles with advanced LED low and high beam projector headlights, either as standard or optional features, which helps in addressing modern safety demands in North America and Europe. If the car of your dreams is luxurious yet dependable, then Acura will fulfill those dreams. 4. Honda. Honda has been a trusted name in cars and motorcycles for decades. Known for their reliability and fuel efficiency, these are built to last. Many first-generation Honda City models are still running strong today. Adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation braking, forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, and road departure mitigation are just a few of the safety technologies that make Honda vehicles safe for both drivers and passengers. Honda cars are known for their VTEC engines that combine power and fuel efficiency. The best part about Honda is its resale value. Even older models can hold up to 70% of their original worth, making them a smart investment. Honda cars are known for offering a smooth and comfortable driving experience, suitable for both urban and long-distance travel. Honda embraces this philosophy and ensures that its cars are equipped with advanced features to meet the demands of today's hyperactive lifestyle. For instance, the latest Honda City 2020, which boasts an advanced Honda Connect platform, is designed to seamlessly connect the customer, car, family, and advanced technology. Some Honda car models include Honda Amaze. Honda elevate place quality as its utmost concern, ensuring that their vehicles have an extended lifespan compared to their competitors. While other cars may start to show signs of wear and tear, Honda cars maintain their reliability over the years. 3. Toyota. When it comes to automakers, few names carry the global respect that Toyota does. Renowned for crafting cars that cater to all walks of life, Toyota has cemented its legacy through vehicles that balance luxury, practicality, and ruggedness. Whether you're taking on tough terrain with the indestructible Hilux or cruising in comfort with the family-friendly Camry, Toyota seems to have a model for everyone. It's no wonder Consumer Reports recently gave it a solid reliability score of 62 over 100. So what's Toyota's secret? It all comes down to their customer-first approach. They've mastered the art of delivering vehicles that check multiple boxes: fuel efficiency, performance, and durability. Take the Hyryder, for instance. Running purely on petrol, it manages an impressive mileage of 17 km per liter. And when you opt for Toyota's hybrid technology, you're looking at a game-changing real-world efficiency of 24 km per liter. Saving money at the pump while enjoying a seamless driving experience? That's a win-win. Of course, even the best stumble occasionally. Toyota has had its share of missteps, like the recalls for the Tundra and the all-electric BZ4X. But here's the thing. Those hiccups barely scratch the surface of Toyota's hard-earned reputation. If anything, they highlight the brand's commitment to addressing issues and maintaining the trust of its customers. Toyota isn't just about practicality, though. Their cars offer a solid driving experience without sacrificing the durability they're famous for. It's this holistic approach, balancing comfort, performance, and efficiency, that has made Toyota a go-to choice worldwide. Whether you're planning an epic road trip or just need a dependable partner for your daily grind, Toyota has you covered. Reliable, efficient, and built to last. It's a brand you can count on, time and time again. 2. Lexus. With a solid score of 65, Lexus takes the second spot as one of the most reliable car brands in the world. It's clear that Toyota doesn't cut corners on quality, and Lexus, its luxury division, proudly carries that legacy. Lexus isn't just about fancy cars, it's about precision. Known for its obsessive attention to detail and top-tier craftsmanship, Lexus has earned a spot among Japan's top 10 global brands in market value. Their lineup of hybrid vehicles like the NX350h, RX500hF Sport Plus, and an X350h Overtrail is loaded with features like all-wheel drive and the impressive Lexus safety system. And when it comes to dependability, Lexus doesn't just talk the talk, it walks the walk. Earning a solid 4 out of 5 in reliability rankings, it's no wonder this brand has been topping the charts for 8 straight years. Plus, with their comprehensive warranty covering both time and mileage, owners can drive with peace of mind. Now let's talk about what really sets Lexus apart. Takumi. No, it's not the latest sushi trend. It's the name given to their master artisans. These highly skilled craftspeople handcraft many of the components that go into a Lexus, making each vehicle feel like a masterpiece. It's this commitment to artistry that makes the brand so in tune with its customers' needs. In the end, Lexus doesn't just aim for perfection, it's their starting point. For a brand that blends rock-solid reliability with impeccable craftsmanship, Lexus proves time and time again why it's a cut above the rest. 1. Subaru. And last, but definitely not least, we've got Subaru, the crowned king of reliability, according to recent rankings. Scoring a solid 68 out of 100, Subaru has steadily climbed the popularity ladder, and for good reason. This isn't just another car brand. It's a name synonymous with longevity and dependability. Subaru cars aren't just built to last, they're made to perform, whether you're cruising on smooth roads or tackling rugged terrain. And let's not forget their incredible fuel efficiency, making them an easy pick for those who value their wallets as much as their driving experience. But here's the kicker. Subaru doesn't play games when it comes to safety. Their cars come packed with the latest features, grouped under what they call Subaru all-around safety. From active safety systems that keep you in control to preventive and passive safety features designed to protect everyone on the road, Subaru has your back. Their legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive technology ensures every wheel gets just the right balance of weight and traction, making handling and stability feel effortless. Models like the Impreza, Legacy, WRX, and Forester are built to take on anything Mother Nature throws at you, all while delivering an incredibly smooth ride. So, if you're looking for a car that can go the distance, literally and figuratively, Subaru's your best bet. With proper care, these cars can easily cross the 200,000 kilometer mark, making them the ultimate companion for anyone craving durability, safety, and performance. Before you decide, take time to weigh your options carefully. The right choice can make all the difference when it comes to long-term satisfaction and cost savings. And if you're curious about which car engines are built to last forever, check out our video titled 25 Car Engines That Will Last Forever. You won't believe which engine takes the top spot. Don't forget to subscribe for more automotive insights. Safe driving.